Hello viewers, I am Venugopal. In this session we are going to discuss the topic percentages. Percentages is a very important topic in quantitative aptitude. Adequate knowledge in percentages will also be helpful for the topics profit and loss, data interpretation, simple interest and compound interest, and also data sufficiency. Okay, then what is the meaning of percentage? Percent, meaning of percent is percent for every 100 or as many hundreds. Every number is 100% of its own value. For example, let's take 1 is 100% of its own value, or if you take 2 is also 100% of its own value. So here in this case we should always assume a given number as 100. Okay, when we have to compare with two numbers, we should assume one number as 100%. Right. Then let A and B are two numbers. Then A is what percent of B? If A is greater than B, the resultant percent would be A by B into 100. Here in this case, as A is greater than B, the resultant percent would be greater than 100%. Right. Then if A is less than B, the resultant percent would be less than 100%. Okay. If A is equal to B, then the resultant percent would be equal to 100%. Right. Okay. We'll convert the conversion of fraction to percentage. Okay. Then a fraction one by one. Okay. 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 100%. 1 by 2 is equal to 50%. 1 by 3 is equal to 33.33%. Okay. How it is? How to express a fraction into percentage? Here 1 divided by 1 into 100. 1 divided by 1 into 100 is equal to 100%. Right. Again 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 50%. How it is? How to convert a fraction into percentage? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 100. 1 by 2 into 100. 100 divided by 2 gives 50. 50 into 1 is 50%. Okay. Whereas 1/3 or 1 by 3 is equal to 33.33 or 33 1 by 3% or 33 1 by 3%. 1/4. 1/4 is equal to 25%. 1 by 4 into 100 gives you 25%. And 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is equal to 20%. 1/6 is equal to 16.66%. And 1/7 is approximately equal to 14.285. And 1/8 is equal to 12.5. 1/9 is equal to 11.11 or 11 by 9. And 1/10 is equal to 10%. 1/11 is equal to 9.09% or 9 1 by 11%. 1 by 12 is equal to 8.33%. Whereas 2/3 or 2 by 3 is equal to 66.66 or 66 2 by 3% or 66 2 by 3 2 by 3%. 66 2 by 3% or 2 by 5 is equal to 40%. Fraction 2 by 5 is equal to 40%. 3/4 is equal to 75% or 3/5 is equal to 60%. Let's try to remember these fractions. This will help you in solving the questions as quickly as possible. Right. Right. And 4/5 is equal to 80%. Let us discuss some questions. For example, if 15% of a number exceeds its 12.5, 15% by 10. Find the number. Find the number. Let the number be 100. Let the number be 100. Then 15% of 100 is equal to 100 minus 100 into 12.5% of 100. 15% of 100 is 15 and 12.5% of 100 is 12.5. So what is the difference? Difference between 15 and 12.5 is 2.5%. Here we have to find the value of the cell number. Okay, here 2.5% of that number is equal to 10. The number is 10 divide 10 by 2.5. Okay, 10 by 2.5 gives you 10 by 2.5, strike of 10 gives you 4. 4 into 100 is 400. So the value of the number is 400%. Right. Then this is a very important question in percentage. Salary of Ramu is 25% more than the salary of Krishna. Then by what percent salary of Krishna's salary is less than Ramu? Here the rule is, here if the value of A is R% more than B's value, then B's value less than A by. Here the keyword is more than. Keyword is more than. Here what is R? Here R. So to find the value, R by 100 plus R into 100. With the help of this rule, we can solve the problem. Here, Krishna's salary less than Ramu's salary by. Here R is 25%. So 25 by 100 plus 25 into 100 gives you 25 by 125. R, this is equal to 1 by 5. If you can remember the fractions and its percentage, you can directly solve this question. 1 by 5 is equal to 20%. And let's go to next question. If salary of Mani is 20% less than that of salary of Giri, then by what percent Giri's salary is more than Mani's salary? Here the keyword is less than. Less denotes subtract. In the previous case, more denotes addition. Right? Here, if A's value is R% less than B's value, then B's value more than A by. Here, we have to use the rule R by 100 minus R into 100. Here R is equal to 20%, and then Giri's salary more than Mani's salary by 20 by 100 minus 20 into 100. That gives you 20 by 80. 20 by 80 is equal to 1 by 4. 20 by 80 is 1 by 4. Right. 1 by 4 is equal to, a fraction 1 by 4 is equal to 25%. Right. Next. Let us discuss the question. 20% of A is equal to 30% of B, then A is to B. Here, ratio of percentage to value will always be in inverse proportion. Here, percentage wise, A, B are in the ratio 20% and 30%, that is equal to 2:3%. Inverse ratio, if you inverse this ratio, you get 3:2. How it is? The actual value of A and B is 3:2. For example, let us assume value of A be 100. Value of A be 100. Okay. Then A is equal to 100. Then if value of A is equal to 100, then what is 20% of 100? 20% of 100 is 20% of 100 is 20. Here 20% of A is equal to 10% of B. So as 20% of A is equal to 20, then this is equal to 10% of B. So A value of 10% of B is 20. Then what is the value of B? 20 by 10 into 100. 20 by 10 into 100. 10 tens or 10 is 20 into 10 gives you 200. What is the value here? Here A is 20. Sorry, A value is 100. B value is 200. B value is 200. Okay. Okay. Let us discuss many questions in the next session. Okay. Fine. Thank you.